In recent years, ICT, which makes use of the internet and digital content, is playing an expanding role in education. This calls for easier and more efficient ways to bring ICT into the classroom. For lessons that use projectors, it can be difficult to manage the complex array of cable connectors and adapters. Wireless connection is ideal, but the time and processes involved are major hindrances to it becoming standard. Based on Casio's track record of its projectors in over 40,000 schools and insights gained from teachers and IT managers, the company sought to create the most effective ICT classes. Casio wants to provide educational solutions, or ES for short. With wireless connection, the layout of the teacher's podium and students' desks is free to be rearranged in any way that's conducive to learning. Working flexibly with different styles of classes. With ES features answering many problems within the educational field. The new lamp-free projector Superior series, making modern ICT lessons more efficient and smarter than ever before. Let's see what effect these projectors can have by following along in a class.
Now, which cable should I use?
With wired connection, choosing the cables and switching inputs can be complicated.
Okay, so
Even with wireless, it can take time and effort to set up the correct projector of each classroom from all the projectors on the network. But with the Superior series, hooking up to your network couldn't be simpler. Just click on the one-click connection icon of the projector you want to connect with for easy wireless connection.
Okay, class, are you ready to begin?
With one-click projection, you save time and work, meaning lessons can begin immediately. Creating a one-click connection file is also easy. IT managers can create a one-click connection file for each classroom from a web browser. Once the IT manager has created a one-click connection file for each classroom, they upload it to the cloud, and you're ready to go. Teachers and students can simply download the one-click connection file before lessons, and classes can begin promptly. With a wired connection, the teacher had to go back to the PC to change slides, making it difficult to conduct lessons while making sure the students were following along. But with remote operation, the teacher is unbound to a fixed location to operate the PC and projector, allowing them to walk around the classroom and communicate with students while using a smart device to remotely control changing slides on a PC or changing input on the projector. You can plan lessons that keep students engaged. Before, when students made presentations, they had to pick up their computer and connect it to the projector by cable, or send files to the teacher, which was troublesome and time-consuming.
Okay, so we're about to begin the short quiz here.
The new Superior series has a moderator function that allows students to present their assigned tasks to the class more efficiently.
Begin.
When students finish a task, they can click on the connection file icon on their computer, connecting them to the projector, while the students' names appear on the teacher's smartphone. The teacher can select a student from the list to display their work on the projector. Because the teacher can manage the connection, projection of students' misoperation can be prevented. Eliminating projector operations by the students allows presenters to be selected from anywhere in the classroom for stress-free and smooth assignment presentation.
Okay, so this is a new presentation about
Also, because it's possible to display up to 4 windows in split screen, you can compare contents and conduct discussion, allowing for effective ICT lessons. Up until now, when lessons finished, you had to take out the remote control and turn off the power. And when the next teacher came, they had to turn the projector on again. For every class, turning the power on and off took time and effort. With auto projection off, the projector screen turns off and goes into standby mode at the push of the stop button on the app. Within 20 minutes from the screen going off, there is no need to turn on the projector's power. The next class can use one-click connection and begin their lesson without delay. Furthermore, in standby mode, it turns off automatically after 20 minutes, so you don't have to worry about forgetting to turn off the power. There's no need for IT managers to go around checking classrooms after school. In addition, the Superior series has other convenient ES features. One is called Simple Timer, which can display timers immediately on the screen. There are 9 built-in templates for often used borders and grids, and you can even register your original materials and images as templates. Another function that makes lessons more convenient for teachers is mirror mode, which can project mirror images to check movement and form. The Superior series is Casio's first to come with WUXGA. As the world's smallest 4,000 lumen semiconductor light source projector, it has great portability. Compared with similar class models of other companies, you can see the size difference. In addition to the conventional red LED, the R hybrid light source irradiates a blue laser to the red phosphor and converts it to red light to efficiently realize brightness of 4,000 lumens. Its 1.7 times optical zoom is one of the highest in its class. For example, when projecting onto a 90-inch screen on the wall, you can install it anywhere from 257 to 428 centimeters from the wall. Previously installed metal fittings can be kept in the same position, so it's easier to replace older units. In addition, for the displaying of medical images such as X-rays and MRIs, the projectors come equipped with DICOM simulation to show shading gradation. Casio has developed a dust-resistant 2-block and steric flowing structure. Dust resistance efficiency has been enhanced. Casio's new lamp-free projector Superior series is a flagship model that strongly supports ICT classes. Classes that incorporate ICT improve efficiency by utilizing the internet and digital contents, and they are rapidly becoming the norm. Casio's ES feature-equipped Superior series projector supports ICT classes from start to finish. As a pioneer of lamp-free projectors, we will continue to provide solutions in the field of education.